The Hoya kerrii is commonly called the Hoya Heart because of its green heart-shaped leaves. This single leaf cutting is a fun, whimsical way to show your plant love. It is partially rooted and may or may not have a node. It will stay as an adorable heart-shaped leaf for years to come, and, if you're lucky, will sprout a vine and produce more heart-shaped leaves. Each plant is unique. Size and shape fluctuate by season, so all measurements are shown as a range. The mini plant measures between 2 to 3 inches tall from the soil line to the top of the foliage. It arrives in a nursery grow pot nestled in your planter choice. Plant care thrives in bright direct light but can tolerate bright indirect light. Water every 2 to 3 weeks in direct light, allowing soil to dry out between waterings. Expect to water more often in brighter light and less often in lower light. This is a pet-friendly plant. The Hoya kerrii is commonly referred to as the Hoya Heart because of its heart-shaped leaves. This single leaf cutting is partially rooted and will be a slow grower until established. Sad plant signs: wrinkling leaves, dry potting mix, thirsty plant, underwatered, yellowing and becoming mushy, wet potting mix, root rot, overwatered.